Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll delve into the functions and types of mass media, examining their impact on society. So, let's jump right in. Mass media serves several crucial functions in our lives. First and foremost, it informs us about the latest news, events, and developments happening around the world. Through TV, radio, newspapers, magazines, and the internet, we stay connected and well informed. But mass media does more than just inform. It enriches our lives by providing us with a diverse range of content, from thought-provoking articles to captivating stories and engaging visuals. Through films, records, and various forms of media, we experience the richness of different cultures and perspectives. Education is another significant function of mass media. It brings knowledge and awareness to the masses, offering educational programs, documentaries, and informative content that contribute to our personal growth and understanding of the world. Of course, entertainment is an integral part of mass media. Whether it's through captivating TV shows, engaging radio programs, or thrilling movies, mass media brings joy, laughter, and moments of escape into our lives. When we talk about mass media, we encounter various types that have evolved over time. Traditional media, such as dance, music, songs, and drama, have been integral to human expression and communication throughout history. Print media, including newspapers, magazines, and books, has long been a reliable source of information and storytelling. It continues to play a crucial role in disseminating knowledge and shaping public opinion. Electronic media, encompassing cinema, television, and radio, revolutionized the way we consume and experience media. These mediums brought audiovisual storytelling into our homes, providing a shared cultural experience. In the digital age, new media or social media platforms have emerged as powerful tools for communication and interaction. Social networking sites and the internet connect us like never before, enabling us to share our thoughts, engage in discussions, and access a vast array of information. It's worth noting that mass media holds a significant role in democratic societies. Often referred to as the fourth estate, it acts as a watchdog, ensuring transparency, accountability, and the free flow of information, contributing to a well-informed citizenry. And there you have it, a glimpse into the functions and types of mass media. From informing and enriching us to educating and entertaining, mass media has become an indispensable part of our lives. As we navigate this ever-evolving landscape, let's continue to explore, engage, and make the most of the diverse forms of media available to us.